Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Full Bites. Today, we're cooking a rich and aromatic tehari. So let's dive right in. First, blend some green chilies, cashews, and raisins until smooth. We're making a spatial paste, then set it aside. In a pan with hot oil, fry a cup of sliced onions until they're golden brown. Take them out and set them aside. Fry some hot potatoes in the same oil with a little salt. Once golden, set this aside too. This will add a lovely bite to our tehari. Now, in a large pot, add beef and season it with garlic paste, ginger paste, coriander powder, chili powder, cumin powder, all-pepper paste, cinnamon, bay leaf, black cardamom, black pepper, cloves, some chopped onion, mustard oil, yogurt, salt. While the beef is cooking, rinse the rice until the water runs clear and soak it for 30 minutes. Then drain it. Add it garam masala and biryani masala. Cook the beef on medium heat until it's tender and you set the oil separate from the mixture. In a separate pot, heat some mustard oil. Then add a teaspoon each of garlic and ginger paste and the soaked rice. Add a bit of biryani masala and fry everything for about 2 to 3 minutes to infuse flavor. Next, add 2 liters of hot water to the rice. Then add green chilies, the fried potatoes, raisins, prunes, and our cooked beef mixture. Gently mix it all together. Cover the pot with a tight lid. Once the rice is fully cooked, add a little sugar and a spoonful of ghee for richness. A few drops of kara water, gently fluff the rice and it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more delicious recipes from Just Full Bites. Enjoy!